In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best adjustable laptop desk for bed that are available on the market. We made the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion, and more. To see the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. Number 1. Avantree College Adjustable Laptop Table. We start with Avantree College's adjustable laptop table, one of the sturdiest products we tested in this list. Right out of the box, the table is striking to look at with its sleek, modern design. The use of high-quality materials was also noticeable during the simple assembly process. The table features a wide base that can easily support larger laptops up to 17 inches. The desktop can tilt up to 30 degrees with a simple locking mechanism to keep it in place so you can keep your laptop at the optimal viewing angle. Small protruding plastic tabs prevent the laptop from slipping the table. Number 2. Pwr Portable Laptop Desk. Pwr brings a very strong contender to the fray with a futuristic design and strong emphasis on ergonomics. Their portable laptop design features all aluminum construction and a high level of adjustability for optimal ergonomics. The futuristic design makes this table a pleasure to look at. It features 3 joints that can be rotated 360 degrees simply at a press of a button. Releasing the button then locks the joint securely in place. The high degree of movement means it can be adjusted to all manner of positions, heights and angles that best suit your requirements. Number 3. Moclever Laptop Tray. Moclever Portable Laptop Table brings a full-featured desk to the mix at a very reasonable price. With its hard plastic construction and dual surfaces for both your mouse and laptop, it is a definite contender for the best laptop desk. The table immediately checks the ergonomic design box with its main tilting surface and height adjustable legs with 2 height options. You have the option of keeping the mousepad level on one surface while keeping the laptop tilted at an optimal angle, preventing buildup of strain in the wrist. Number 4. Nnewvante Adjustable Bamboo Laptop Desk. Nuvont brings a unique offering to the laptop desk niche with its bamboo laptop tray. Finished in natural bamboo, this tray offers great features in an attractive design at a very reasonable price. The height can be adjusted from the minimum 8.8 inches up to 12.9 inches thanks to the adaptable legs. Right out of the box, the tray feels very solid to hold and requires no assembly other than unfolding the legs. The natural bamboo construction feels wonderful and looks great in its natural brown color. The tray features a single tilting surface with 5 tilt settings up to a maximum of 45 degrees, which is ideal for working on your bed while propped up against a pillow. Number 5. Sofia plus Sam Multitasking Laptop Table. Sofia Sam's laptop table is an ideal table for those who like to multitask and use a variety of devices in bed. With its bamboo construction and choice of 3 colors, it is also one of the more attractive tables we reviewed. Moreover, it features a level surface to the side with a mouse pad already built in. The table requires no assembly and is usable right out of the box after unfolding the legs. The most noticeable thing immediately is the size of the table. With its large surface, it can easily accommodate large 18-inch laptops. The highlight of this laptop table has to be dedicated slots from your tablet and phone, tilting them at an optimal angle for use in bed.